What impact did the social media have on racism?
Yeah, what we're seeing is something that's been really highlighted in recent time, and social media has a right to make sure that we stamp out all the racism on social media. It's something that has been discussed, and I feel that social media can certainly be doing more to eradicate these kind of behavior in terms of where the media is concerned.
How did racism change from the time from when you were playing?
I don't think it's changed that much. I think the Black Lives Matter movement is obviously highlighted, has been talked about from the minister, that it's been an initiative. But certainly what is needed to be done is more people being educated. It's something that we're trying to portray and let people understand that equality and racial injustice is not something that's part of society. And literally it's about just educating people going forward.
Your message towards the victims?
Yeah, well, as I said, it's a sad state of affair. We don't want to see that type of stuff. And the message to the victim is that you have to try and come through the difficult times and let people understand that you are not just fighting this by yourself, and you're always going to get support, certainly from the Manchester United foundations and the club. We are here to try and help you through those difficult times. But it is something that we want to see eradicated from society.
The last question, what do you think about Ronaldo?
Fantastic. I mean, it's wonderful since he come to the football club. He's very passionate about being back at the football club. You've seen what he's brought to the club. He's given us a lift, a really drive, and certainly last night in terms of just typify of what he represents. He wants to win, and he's brought that winning mentality back to the football club. That's a fantastic result for us, and he's been nothing but a real joy to be back at the football club.
Are you a fan?
A huge fan, of course. Yeah.